Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This home on quarter acre and of approximately 5 years ticks many boxes. It's within close proximity to a few beaches, entertainment, restaurants, attractions, and most other convenience you can think of. Welcome to the gated community of Plantation Village, which offers 24-hour security and a great living space. The downstairs of this 4,950 square feet home offers an expansive living and dining room, kitchen, bedroom with ensuite bathroom, and a powder room, which can easily be converted to a full bathroom. An added bonus is a back veranda, which can be accessed from the bedroom and kitchen. Upstairs houses a very big primary bedroom with walk-in closet and bathroom, almost as big as the bedroom. The other bedroom has ensuite bathroom and its own balcony, while the third bedroom also has its own bathroom, which can be accessed from an office. The many balconies, sea views, and fruit trees are enough to call this home with a huge potential yours. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 580,000 or Jamaican $89.2 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.